Tol.
River at Cyril, isang pangalan na lang ang kukumpleto sa listahan ng maliligtas ngayong gabi. Makinig ng mabuti. Congratulations. Because you are also safe tonight. River, congratulations.
Love you guys.
I'm sorry, Cyril. You have just been evicted
Love
from the
you
Big Brother
guys.
house. Magpaalam ka na sa iyo mga kasama.
Love you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys. Love you, kuya. I got you, kuya. Dami kong kuya. Thank you guys.